Are you looking to jumpstart your accounting career? The Kennesaw State University Master of Accounting program puts you in the fast lane to success with our 2-in-2 program. Earn your MAC and CPA in 2 semesters.
And it probably took me 2 days to realize that this is exactly where I want to be, and I'd really felt like I found my people.
I think the classes are a really different experience from undergrad classes, and I think they prepare you better for the business world, and we do a lot of conceptual thinking and more learning about the business world as opposed to learning like the nitty-gritty details of things.
I'm pretty outgoing in general with people, but I've made some really close friends and connections here in the program with professors, with fellow classmates, with just business professionals at different meetings like GSCPA meetings and stuff. And I know that these relationships will continue to last a long time, and they've helped me so much to grow and develop professionally and socially in this program.
Well, my favorite part is the ability to work in group. The program is set up in such a way that you are working in group. You have a group of people going through the same thing that you're going through. So that's a big motivation there. When you feel like you're about to give up, and they give you the energy to keep going.
The best part for the KSU MAC program for me was taking the CPA exams throughout the year. And the best benefit for me is just having friends along beside me to take the exam too. So when I'm struggling with a certain section, I have friends who can help me study and vice versa. So it's nice we're kind of all in the struggle together instead of just alone.
I think the biggest benefit for me was it pushed me to go outside of my comfort zone, both professionally as far as going to professional meetings and things of that nature, but also just in actually getting to know people better and putting myself out there.
Yes, I believe all accounting majors should consider this program simply because even if you're unsure about whether you want to become a CPA, this program has access to professors and a director that'll give you more opportunities by obtaining a master's degree.
Come hear more about us at a MAC information session in Burruss, January 14th or 29th. Get the details at ksumac.com and follow us on Instagram at ksumac.
I feel like I am now far more prepared in 5 months' time to enter a real life work environment and take a job that pays real money. So I would encourage anybody who's interested to jump on board.